So using an external monitor is a big help, especially during productivity. Having a portable external monitor, well, that'd be a dream. And that's what we got in today's episode. We have the Lepow Z1-Gamut. We're gonna get it out of the box and let you guys know what we think in today's episode of Good Tech Cheap. Let's get to it. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. Starting out, if you're new to the show, make sure you are subscribed or following where you see this video at. Today's episode is brought to you by Lepow. We have the Z1-Gamut and we have all of our links and details located in the description, so make sure to check that out. I'm excited to say, hey, this is a sweet display. Let's get it out of the box and put it to work. All right, we have a Lepow Z1-Gamut Type-C portable display. I absolutely love these displays. They really are great. So handy and portable to use wherever you need them. So we're gonna get this one out of the box and see what we get. Right on top, we have some screen protector. That's great for protecting your screen. Then we have a nice foam protector. And then wrapped in foam, the display in a very nice case. Oh yeah, very, very nice. Really handy. Then we have a power plug. We have some cables, a USB-C to USB, as well as a USB-C to USB-C cable, some wipes for the screen protector to install all that good stuff, your user guide, and an HDMI to micro HDMI, and some more paperwork. So let's take a closer look at the display. Get it off the case. That connects magnetically to the back. On the side here we have our HDMI. We have a USB-C port and a headphones jack. Then on the other side we have another USB port, which will be for powering, and your menu controller. This will help you change things like brightness, volume, and all that good stuff. Getting the protector off the screen. Now this bad boy is ready to go. To set up the screen, you will take the bottom and fold it back. And then the display will magnetically stick to the back piece right here. And go right down into that groove. And there is how the display gets set up. Then when you're not using the display, you just pull the display back like so, unfold this, and it will magnetically stick, protecting the front and the back of your portable monitor. So this is everything you get right out of the box. Let's put this to some use now. So if you're looking for a portable and slim all-in-one package, this wins hands down. The Lepow Z1-Gamut has also won the PC Editor's Choice, with it bringing every frame alive and restoring true colors. It has a 15.6 inch screen, and you get a resolution in full 1080p. And with high color gamut improving by 60%, and with the brightness increasing, so you're definitely getting more vivid and colorful pictures. And that really comes in handy when you're watching colorful movies or working with video or maybe even art and of course gaming. Basically everything you do with this monitor, Lepow restores true colors. And with the equipped USB Type-C ports, you can even use mobile devices. So if you're ever in need of needing to project what is on a tablet or a mobile device, this monitor comes in really handy at doing so. As well as offering you 3 extended modes. From second screen mode, extended mode, or duplicate mode, you can simply get the most out of laptops, phones, computers, Xboxes, the Nintendo Switch, PS4, or any other gaming consoles that can provide an HDMI out. There's just so many different ways you can make use of a monitor like this. And coming in at only 1.7 pounds, this thing is so light and is no big deal to carry with you. An exceptional portable monitor. And if by chance you don't have speakers or headphones, this monitor even has built-in speakers. As well as a headphone port directly on the display that will route the audio there. I mean, you know how we nerds like routing options. But if you have been out looking around for portable monitors, this is one I would highly recommend you to check out. They are so handy, especially when using it as an external display to a laptop. So the Lepow Z1-Gamut, I would highly recommend. We have all of our links and details in the description. Make sure to head down there and check that out. And of course, give Lepow a huge shout out for partnering up with us so we could give you this review. If you found it helpful, make sure to hit that like button and get in the comments and let us know how you would use this portable monitor. That is going to wrap it up for today's episode. We'd like to thank each and every one of you for checking out this review. Make sure you are following where you are seeing this review at as well. Once again, my name is Brad, and I'll be seeing you in the next review.